What it do, everybody? We got another dope ass upcoming YouTuber. He got like 395 subs. Get him to 1,000. I'm telling y'all, the people that I tell y'all to follow, you can change their life. Listen, we are one big family. We're gonna tap in with each other. So make sure you follow Citywide.Kb.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb. I'm coming back with another video, and today I don't know how to explain it, my boy, but I got exhaust put on this bitch. Full blown, real deal aftermarket Tsudo. I got this off of a parts car off Facebook Market for, brace yourself, 50 buckaroos. All I have to do is cut that motherfucker off, and that's all I did. Took my brand new saws out, big barrel with the power up. Nag that motherfucker off, my boy. For 50 bones, I took that motherfucker on with me. To be honest with you, my boy, with the exhaust leaks and the shotty quality that I did put this up with, it don't sound half bad, even with the leaks. It don't sound bad, even with the leaks. But don't mind the rear bumper and the wrinklage on my trunk pan. Some fine Nashville driver did smack me in the rear of the ass. Left me a nice little dimple. I ain't gonna speak on it too much in this video, but he did what he did, and I ain't gonna throw a fit. But yeah, though, full blown Tsudo catback exhaust. It wasn't too bad getting it on. All I did was fucking slide it over my cut pipe and put a fucking band clip around it and called it a goddamn day. I need to go to Exhaust Addict or somebody who can weld this son bitch up for me. Throw me my hangers on there so it can look right, look pretty. And other than that, that's it. And the reason I say Exhaust Addicts is because, one, they got a big ass following. Two, they might put my motherfucking car on a rack and put a motherfucking video behind that motherfucker. Oh, look at this motherfucking nifty little TL here. He already got the pseudo exhaust on there. He just wants us to clean it up. Oh, okay. And yeah, I take the embarrassment and all the blame before y'all even see it. Yeah, I put that shit on there. I did. And you never know unless I told you or showed you. So shut the fuck up. But other than that, it don't sound too bad. I will give y'all a little startup and a little startup and a little sound clip of it. Beware, it does not sound the absolute best, because like I said, it does have the exhaust leak, but it's not honestly that bad, my boy. And you know how I was popping in that one video? Oh yeah, baby, we popping with it. I really don't have too much to explain in this video other than just showing y'all. I can't do a POV today because my camera phone is broken and I'm on my webcam streaming phone. So I don't like the zoom quality on how this is really coming out. It looks really up close, but don't look half bad. Like, the quality ain't half bad, but I'm just getting used to holding this camera and being steady with it. But other than that, gango, I give y'all some sound clips. Get on down, my boy. Get on down. I mean, with the back bumper on, the fitment don't look too bad. I think I got some pictures of it before the wreck. I hope I do. Maybe just a wreck. If I do, I'll put them up on the screen. If I don't, I don't. It'll be alright. But it wasn't too half bad looking though, my boy. It wasn't too half bad looking. She got a long way to come. But other than that, she gonna make it through though. I tell you that. As much work as I put in this bitch, I guarantee this motherfucker see it the fuck through. I tell you that. But yeah though, man, probably just gonna set y'all up, get y'all a little sound clip or whatever, my boy. hope I spit a flame, but let me get going before some Karen call the goddamn laws on a young black male such as myself for having so much fun out here by myself, but not bothering nobody. Let me keep the camera straight. But other than that, gang, I know y'all probably can barely hear me and probably up close, this close, but if y'all did like the video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn them post notifications on if you fuck with your boy. And I catch you when I catch you.
Bye, have a great time.
I'm coming like Rylo, yeah. 50s and 20 like one in Cosmo. Know the Tsudo where I go, gang. Stephanie J never play for Chicago. No betting on the day, I'm screaming hollow.